Teka, nasaan ako? Paano ako napunta dito?
Oh, Mr. James.
Sakit nga po ng ulo ko. Bakit po ako nandito?
Hindi mo ba nakakauwi?
Ang alin po?
Your classmate here today. Nahimatay ka na papunta sa school.
Ganun po ba?
Yes, actually, pwede ka nang bumalik sa class.
Anong oras na nga po pala?
It's past 10 in the morning.
Ay hala, yari ako nito kay Sir Wilbert. Ay, good morning sir. I'm sorry I'm late.
Oy James, buti pinalabas ka na. Saka wala pa si sir eh. May faculty meeting daw. I-dismiss na tayo.
Ay, anak ko, late na naman ako.
Ano ka ba? This time naman ay valid reason ka na. Ano ba kasi talaga nangyari?
Malabo eh. Naalala ko lang na may bumugos sa akin na matandang lalaki.
Matandang lalaki?
Hindi ko rin sure eh.
Ay nako, mas better kung kwento mo naman bukas sa akin yan. Para mas klaro na.
Mabuti pa nga siguro. Mamayang gabi pa pala darating si Papa.
Knock. 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 Dito na ako. Labas ka na dyan
Saglit
sa
lang
kwarto
po
mo.
pa. Ito na po. Wow! What happened here? I'm already dead. Magagalit si Papa nito. What shall I do now? If I could just move things using my mind. Cleaning this mess wouldn't take long. Try ko nga. Wow! Did it just move? Should I try to move it again? Hindi naman gumalaw eh. I knew it. For a second, I thought I have superpowers. I should eat now. Makakain na nga. Ah! Wag! Ha? Sabi ko na nga ba, magagawa ako eh. Isa pa nga ulit.
Anong nangyari, Knock?
Wala po yung tay!
Nahimatay ka doon sa school nyo. Totoo ba yun?
Opo tay. Di ko pa nga rin alam kung bakit.
You always push yourself so hard sa mga ginagawa mo eh.
As of now, medyo okay na po ako. By the way tay, lalabas lang po ako.
Gabi na. Huwag kang lalayo masyado.
Muntik nang makita ni tatay yun ah. Buti na lang talaga. Sakto. Walang masyadong tao ngayon. I should try this power to something. Wait, parang kilala ko yun ah. Andy, anong nangyari sa'yo?
May humahabol kasi sa akin. Then, ayun.
Sino ba yung humabol sa'yo?
Aba. Nagawa mo pang makatakas sa lagay na yan, ha? At nagsama ka pa ng idadamay mo? What do you think? He can save you? Don't make me laugh.
What happened? Why is that guy lying down?
Seriously?
Di ko alam na kaya mo pala yung bully na yun.
Eh? Hindi ako James.
Don't worry. Tayo-tayo lang naman dito.
James, Sabing hindi ako. Do you seriously think that I can beat this guy?
Then, kung di ikaw, sino?
Ikaw. Di ko rin masyado nakita dahil sa bilis ng pangyayari. But I saw in your eyes that look. Gusto mo talaga siya patumbahin. Then, ayun, in a matter of seconds, nakadapa na siya. For a second there, you were like a superhero in a movie. Magsalita ka naman. James! James!
I've seen a great potential in you because of the humbleness of your heart. This power that I will bestow upon you shall make you the great keeper of peace. By this power, you must be responsible with your actions. It must be used with righteousness and unveil the justice for the weak who are not able to protect themselves from the wicked.
After that dream, I remembered what happened and what the mystery old man had told me. It's all true, and there's a bunch of rules. He also said a lot of stuff to motivate me. I should think of this another time. For now, I must be ready for school. Hey, I'm glad that the old woman is safe. Buti na lang umabot ako. Anong oras na nga pala? Malilate na naman ako nito. Tay! 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 Tay, gumising ka!
Sorry sir, pero kailangan niyo po muna lumabas. Pasensya na po sir.
Kailangan ako ng tatay ko dito. Di pwedeng wala ako sa tabi niya. Naiintindihan niyo ba ako?
Hindihan po namin kayo sir, pero di po kami makapagsimula sir hanggat may ibang tao dito. Pasensya na po talaga. Dad did his best, but we're sorry to say that.
Ah! What did I do to deserve this? Is it because of my power that I have to experience something bad in order for me to become strong? If that's the case, then I hate this power. Someone has to pay for this. Don't be afraid, for I am here. Why are you doing this? Tell me, do you gain something from this?
Look, kid, I don't want to hurt you. But if you want to get into trouble, get this. Hey, don't move an inch.
Huh?
Put your hand to your head. Don't deny it. You're the only one here.
But After the incident, my name became the most wanted. Authorities started to find me. They thought that I was the one who killed the girl. But before that incident occurred, the real criminal who shot the girl was doing the same thing over and over again. He was robbing and raping defenseless young lady. Nakakaasar! Why would they think that I did the crime? Just because I was the only one there? It was not happening to me. I will find that criminal and I will make him pay for what he did. Kasalukuyang pinaganap ngayon ng mga otoridad ang isang college student na pumatay sa isang dalaga kagabi. Ayon sa mga polis na rumisponde, naaktuhan pa nilang gagahasain ang dalaga. Mabuti na lamang at naabutan nila. Subalit sa kasamang palad ay nakatakbo ang sospek. Ang sospek ding ito ang pinag-iinalaang gumawa rin ng mga karumal-dumal na krimen sa ilang mga lugar sa Maynila. Ayon sa NBI, matagal na nilang minomonitor ang pangyayaring ito dahil sa dami ng mga incident reports patungkol sa panggagahasa at pagnanakaw sa mga kababaihan.
James! James! James!
Ay,
Si Andy
akala
to.
ko kung sino. Pasok!
I have something important to tell you. You must know it.
Ano yun?
The day when your father got shot, I was there. I've seen it with my own 2 eyes. I've seen the one who shot your father.
Ha? Bakit di mo agad sinabi?
Takot na takot ako that time. I apologize, James. Hindi ko alam na tatay mo pala yung tinutukan ng baril. Dahil nakataligod siya nung nag-video ako. Ang nakita ko lang doon ay ang mukha ng bumaril sa tatay mo.
When Andy showed me the video, I saw the guy who killed the girl the night I was accused. Bigla akong napuot ng sobra. Then, I decided to find the killer. After the incident last week, another victim found dead. The police came up with an investigation that led to the same criminal. The police has warned the people to be aware of their surroundings. So, he must be around this area. He should be hiding somewhere that the authority cannot find him easily. This place looks strange. The police probably checked this place. Wait, I feel something. I should check it myself. I finally found you.
What took you so long? I've seen all around the news. Seems like you're pretty famous now, huh? What does it feel like? Can you feel me now, huh? What are you looking at? Do you realize now we're just exactly the same? We find pleasure in this power that we have. But in your case, you have the power to change the country. No, not the country. The world. I will forget our past. Let's make an alliance.
I don't know where you get that mindset. Or you're just rotten to the core. Do you even hear yourself now, huh? What drugs are you using to get you in that level of dampness? You feel like you're some villain in a movie, huh?
Oh, don't be like that. I'm just trying to be nice to you.
Let's get this over with.
Not so fast, kid. I'm not dumb enough to let you get me that easily. And now that it's getting interesting, why don't you help burst that little boy over here?
Power. Something that makes you strong, and yet it becomes your weakness. You let that power control you instead of you controlling that power. By this time, you should have learned what it takes to become strong. You can rest now.
James! 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 Gising, James!
Where am I?
Ano ka ba? Nasa school tayo eh. Bilis! Papagalitan na naman tayo nito eh.
Wait lang. Ito na.